Kitty. You got color? Your awesome art, of course. Well, Kelly drew that, but your awesome art. The heck? You hear that? Cool. Isn't she cute?
What's this?
That's yellow.
Yellow?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow. Awesome artwork, of course.
What's this?
That's pink.
Pink.
Say again, pink. Pink.
What's this?
That's orange.
Orange. What's this?
That's baby blue.
Blue. What's this?
It's green.
Green. What's this?
That's teal.
Cute.